That's pretty.
Like surf out here.
I know. It feels like we're crossing a bar,
I know.
but it's like hundreds and hundreds of meters deep. There's bloody surf all around us and breaking waves.
Wave come up behind us.
Yeah.
Whee!
30 knots of breeze. We've got we're running a reef Genoa and full mizzen going downwind here. This really volatile following sea. About a knot and a half of current going the other way, and it's really making this sea state quite rough. I don't know if you can actually even see it on the film. Yeah. I know, but it's not. It's like hundreds of meters deep. We've got the fishing line out, which is kind of stupid. If we hook something now, we're going to be in more strife than the early explorers.
When we surfed down those waves, we were about 10 knots.
Yeah. Oh, these waves are steep, eh?
Since leaving Port Vila, we have been in open ocean, and it's a rough ride. It's strong winds and big waves, and you're exposed to the open ocean. There's no coral reef, unlike Fiji, so there's no protection. We're just looking for anchorages each night to try to tuck in behind an island or a lagoon to get out of the swell and the roll. So we're off to the Maskelyne group, where we will get a little bit more protection.
There's poor Deanne. We've owned this boat for 4 years and Dee has just been seasick for the first time and had a big spew all over the leeward deck there. She didn't even go over the rail, she just spewed all over the deck outside.
I couldn't get out because this sheet here, and then I just get my head out through there. And then, oh, it's disgusting.
Yeah, it was disgusting. I had to clean it up.
I think I saw that fruit and that movement. Oof.
It has become quite, it looks all right now, but from time to time it gets pretty rough, eh? And
Very rolling.
yeah, we're sort of burning along and, 20 knots of wind. Yeah, it's a pretty nice sail, but sometimes it has gotten a bit rough.
I didn't think she'd take a seasick tablet.
No, she takes a seasick tablet if we haven't been to sea for a while. And we've been in some really, really calm anchorages, but the last few days. Anyhow, how are you feeling now? A bit better?
Better. That's all up and out.
Lovely.
Yeah, on the deck. So we've just arrived at the Maskelyne Island group, and we've been invited for kava and dinner straight up. This lovely man, Tom, in his canoe. We're going to go meet his wife. There's 3 villages here, and we're going to see the dugongs tomorrow. There's the sea cows. It's going to take us to them where we can snorkel with them.
This particular small island in the Maskelyne group, we entered from the south, and to get in, it is a very shallow lagoon to go over the reef. We draw 2.05 and we only just made it through on high tide. But you have 2 villages, one on your port and one on your starboard, and we went to the one on our port side. Beware. They don't expect kava, it's not like Fiji, but they will expect some money in this particular village we found.
You're in Tom and Toe. To the village.
This particular village is well known for sea cows or dugongs. However, we did not find any. We went snorkeling the next day, but they could be around. I'm not sure where, but we're about to head into the village now, and they've invited us in for kava.
Through here. Look at the size of these pigs. Wow. big bigs. You're not going into the community house.
Oh, now we're going the later probably.
Oh, cement floors too. Fancy. Oh, we got a welcome sign. Yeah. Oh. Rob loves babies. Hello. Hello. I think we go this way, maybe? He said go around. This is a beautiful house. Made from... That's gorgeous. Oh, see those, I call them elephant ears, that green leaf. That's what they eat. They wrap them up in a parcel and then put them in coconut milk.
Are you sure they're also like using banana leaves?
No, that's what she was using. Crossroads, which way? This way. Another pig. They always have their sleeping quarters and their kitchen and their community all separate. So they cook in one shed or one house and then sleep in another. Hello.
In this village, they have up to 500 people living in the village, and they have carver bars at night, which we've been invited back to.
Yes. So
Oh, number one.
hey, this is the bar. Look at this. The carver bar. I love it.
Ita, come on.
Umetilap kami tu.
Okay, cheese.
Cheese.
Harap.
Hello.
Yes. D.
I'm hungry.
Kata masarap.
Are you going to drink it?
Yes.
But like Fiji, you drink it all at the
Akala
same
kami.
time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you
You
say
take the
cheers.
pizza first.
Yes.
And then he finished. And then you.
Ah,
Okay. You're going to drink
The
it now?
cheese. The cheese mun ma.
Yeah,
cheese.
with three.
Cheese.
cheers, yeah.
Cheers.
Welcome to Maskelyne.
Come to Maskelyne.
Good?
Finished.
Tastes different?
Yeah.
Yay. Is that different from Fiji? Yeah? Tastes the same?
It tastes much the same.
Yeah,
as Fiji.
Okay.
Hey,
Do you feel
not sure.
tingly tongue or anything?
Not yet.
Oh,
Not
Is
yet.
this a high tide or low tide?
High tide.
it looks like a high tide. Have a look.
High tide.
High tide. It's not a low tide, sorry. That's on first time. When it's
Or it could be a
second
tsunami.
Oh,
Yeah.
time. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, thank you, cheese.
that is different.
Rough, finished.
Oh, oh,
Because high tide.
You're not even going to finish your high tide.
it's a lot. It was a big one. And my tongue's going numb.
Yes.
Oh, it's weird. And it's heavier, like it's a thicker consistency. Now the back of my throat's going numb.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh man. Woo! What's he doing? Our dinner. You've already started without us. Ooh.
This is taro, done in coconut milk and wrapped in banana leaves to cook. And this feeds their whole family in their village.
What are you doing there?
I'm going to stand up and do it because The sail's right over there.
What are you actually doing?
I'm fixing the mizzen sail. It's got a tear down. What do you call that? The leech.
Yeah.
It's got a tear down here. And so I put a patch on it and patched up. This is the oldest sail that we have. The other two are much newer, so this one's on its way up. So it's got like patches everywhere. But she does the job. Thank God for this machine. We're just leaving this little anchorage. There's 3 villages here, and as you saw last night, they love their cover. There's a reef that comes out across here, and we're about to go over it, but yesterday there was 1.5 meters under our keel, but all I saw was reef. So you just have to go over it on high tide, which is what we're about to do now. I'm just going to creep over the top, see if we can show you what we saw yesterday. The sun is not up today, so it's not great. Yeah, I can start to see it. Yeah, you can. I can see it. Oh, it looks shallow. It looks deeper over there. Oh, really? It's very... It makes me so nervous. I'm just going over it now, and we're going to head up to Sandwich Bay. Yeah, that is nerve-wracking. There's deeper water to your starboard. There's a coral here. Okay, we're in deep water now. Woo, that's not fun. Our keel is 2.05. So if you have a really long keel, I would not attempt to go through there. Anyway, we went to find dugongs over here, and there's a beautiful reef you can just drift dive along, and then the dugongs are just sort of through here. But today the clarity wasn't very good in the water, and it's overcast, so we didn't get to see any dugongs, but maybe further north we might. Anyway, off to Sandwich Bay.
Next week we head to Sandwich Bay and then on to Craig's Cove, where they have the most amazing coral with the most beautiful backdrop of black volcano sand and the friendliest kids I think I've met so far.